Today we're at a kitchen where the customer was looking to change her outdated kitchen to a warmer look and add increased functionality, add additional storage space, and we also added additional storage space to her laundry room, and we did some work in her powder room too. So this customer, we took out her soffits and she had a pass-through through here that we closed off to have space for these larger uppers. We also put the microwave up in this area to give her more countertop space. Her cabinets that she chose were countryside cabinets made with rustic alder wood with a harvest stain. She also chose a beautiful under cabinet light rail. We put in these LED lights. She chose a ceramic tile. We also have a countertop called Paradise. It's actually a granite countertop. We have a full Kohler vault farm sink that we added. She also has a Bosch dishwasher. We installed the double oven and made the cabinets all the way to the top, so she had plenty of storage space. The old island was just panels on the side, and there was an area in this side here that was unfunctional, no access. What we did is we reversed the cabinet and added additional storage on this side. We added additional panels full up with this beautiful knotty alder wood. We added a furniture base and these corner posts all the way around the island.
To find something that satisfies.
We reinstalled her same Bosch cooktop with her brown downdraft, and it's just beautiful. We refinished her 2 1/4 red oak, put a clear stain on it. We also added additional storage and additional space in her laundry room by converting her 2 washer and dryer units into a stackable and adding additional storage space. And the last thing that we did was we installed this powder room. We redid the tile in the floor here. She had purchased a beautiful custom vanity, which we did a custom ceramic tile top. We also did a custom ceramic sink, beautiful faucet, and we added a nice Kohler toilet.
Something that satisfies.